The best person who can take good care of you once you get older is the younger person you are now. Does that sound familiar? How about this? Prevention is better than cure. Or this, health is wealth. Indeed, everyone is aware of the importance of achieving a healthy lifestyle. But the real question is it still possible to live healthily in today's world of processed food, much pollution and radiation, plus a stress-filled, fast-paced environment? With I Am Worldwide, it is a big yes, with the power of barley. According to Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara, a Japanese doctor, scientist, inventor, and pharmacologist, barley is the only vegetation on Earth that can supply nutritional support from birth to old age. It is recognized by science as the most nutritious of all plant foods, containing a broad spectrum of essential vitamins, minerals, amino acids, enzymes, chlorophyll, phytonutrients, and phytochemicals that our body requires for the proper functioning of organs and the immune system. There are 68 micronutrients found in barley leaves, 17 types of minerals, 16 types of vitamins, 17 types of enzymes, and 18 types of amino acids. In a nutshell, what is the power of barley? B is for bone health benefits. Barley is loaded with minerals, especially copper and phosphorus, that can promote bone health. Barley contains a greater amount of calcium compared to common milk. This makes barley a perfect ingredient to improve your bone and prevent related diseases like osteoporosis. A is for anti-cancer and colon cleansing substance. Since it is naturally rich in fiber, it can boost your intestinal health, hence protecting you from colon cancer. The fiber component of barley decreases your risk of colon cancer by increasing the bulk activity and decreasing the transit time of fecal matter, which makes your colon healthier. It's not only the barley grain which wards off cancer, but the grains are also beneficial because of their superoxide dismutase component. Superoxide dismutase, or SOD, is a type of enzyme that destroys harmful free radicals in the body. Based on a study conducted at the University of Iowa, there is a relationship between the levels of SOD and the occurrence of cancer. Diminished amounts of SOD were found in cancer cells. Researchers concluded that this relationship may help clinicians to formulate appropriate cancer treatments. R revitalizes immune system. The vitamin C component in barley is almost 2 times that than oranges. This particular vitamin especially fortifies your defense mechanisms and decreases the likelihood of colds and flu. Iron increases the blood volume and also helps prevent anemia as well as exhaustion. It helps with proper kidney functioning, including the growth and development of body cells. L lowers cholesterol and blood sugar. Barley contains an important soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This heart-healthy fiber aids in lowering cholesterol levels and is also found in other grains such as oats. This soluble powder dissolves and binds with fatty acids in the body, which lowers bad cholesterols. Also, a recent study from the Lund University in Sweden shows that barley can rapidly improve people's health by reducing blood sugar levels and the risk for diabetes. The secret lies in the special mixture of dietary fibers found in barley, which can also help reduce people's appetite and risk for cardiovascular disease. E expedites healing of the body. After dissolving barley in the body, there are 3 very important constituents which are stored in barley products. First is beta-glucan, second is essential amino acids, and third are fiber constituents, which accelerates the energy in the body with high resolution. Eventually, the body feels relief, which automatically leads to healing therapy in the muscular systems. Also, barley is rich in zinc, which promotes healing. Y youthful beauty and energy. Barley is packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and minerals. All of these are excellent for your skin. It has been proven to reduce inflammation in the body. Do you know the expression, healthy body, healthy skin? The antioxidants in barley help make you look younger. Barley helps to eliminate toxins from the body, giving you the appearance of younger and healthier skin. Need to experience the power of barley? Bone health benefits, anti-cancer and colon cleanse substances, revitalization of the immune system, lowering of cholesterol and blood sugar levels, expediting healing of your body and youthful beauty and energy? Try I Am Worldwide's barley for the entire family. Amazing pure barley powder, amazing barley capsules, and amazing choco barley for kids. Let this be the start of your healthy living.
I start my day early. And to make sure I'm fueled, I always take my green drink before every meal. My stamina can keep up even with a dynamic lifestyle. So what's the drink that helps me take on the day with confidence? It's I Am Amazing Barley. Made only from fresh and organic barley from Australia. Packed with vitamins and minerals. Experience how it feels like to be amazing. I Am Amazing Barley.
In the game of life, I need to be strong and flexible. I need to be amazingly fit. Fortunately, there's Amazing Slim Cafe Macchiato. Filled with healthy ingredients proven worldwide to help reduce weight. Tastes amazing. Try the Amazing Slim Cafe Macchiato now.
Problema, bad vibes, immune na tayo dyan. Mas importante, immunity, panlaban sa stress, sakit sa katawan, at proteksyon sa sakit. While staying alert and energetic. Immunergy! May moringa, zinc, at vitamin C and D para malakas ang katawan at matalas ang isip. Immunity, energy, possible with Immunergy.
Amazing morning! I am a woman who likes to take care of herself. I have so many friends who drink amazing pure organic barley. Thank God, wala pa naman, but prevention is better than cure. Kamusta ba ang effect? But, I feel great. Sa dami ng trabaho ko at lumipas ang COVID era, hindi po tayo nagkasakit. And thank you talaga. I can say itong products kasi, masasabi mong puro, authentic, at saka organic. If you want to start a healthy lifestyle, kailangan simulan nyo dito sa Amazing Pure Organic Barley. Consistency is the key. Kailangan makasanayan nyo yan at makikita nyo ang effect. I am Aramina and I am worldwide.
I am Maritoni Fernandez and we are in the middle of a barley field here in Swan Hill, Australia. We are giving you the world's best, and this is why I've come all the way to Australia, to show that this is where it comes from. You can't get any better than this. It's more than I ever imagined it would be. It's cold.
Well, we think we have the best barley in the world because of our clean irrigation water. Water comes from the Murray River, which is a freshwater river. All our drinking water comes from the Murray River too. One of 3 factors also is this organic property was a dairy farm before we started growing our certified crops here. So it's full of nutrients, and also the climate is perfect for growing winter cereals. Clean, green, certified organic.
When you get to the processing plant itself, the barley smell is so intoxicating. It smells so clean and so fresh, and you can really tell that it just got harvested. And if anything, it feels so healthy. It smells healthy.
It takes up to 3 years to have the farm certified organic. That's going away from conventional farming practices that require nasty herbicides and pesticides. We're certified with NASA, which is one of the Australian certifications for organic. It's quite an intense process.
A lot of people say that they have organic products, but actually what they don't understand is how stringent the tests are. They get spot checked. So at any given time, NASA can come over here and pick up barley from their fields, and if they don't pass, their license gets taken away, which means no pesticides, no chemicals, none of that stuff goes into this land. From the time it's grown, all the way up until packing the barley powder and shipping it to us in the Philippines, no chemicals ever touches it. Nutri-Green Australia is actually the only organic barley farm in the whole of Australia. And I am truly proud to say that we are now the sole distributor in the Philippines for Nutri-Green barley.
IAM Worldwide gets its barley grass powders from Herbal, which sources them from us at Nutri-Green, so you're guaranteed the best barley grass powders in the world.
Amazing morning! Hello, everyone! Yes, and today is our Testimonial Thursday. So, thank you sa ating mga BODs for giving me a chance again to be your host for tonight. My name po is Mentor Bridget Navarro from Antipolo City. Ayan. So, nakakamiss naman, no? Mag-Testimonial Thursday. So, sige po mga mentors and sa mga members and non-members who are tuned in right now, mapa-Pilipinas or sa ibang bansa. Kasi po tayo ay naka-live streaming worldwide, di ba? So, please share this link, the Facebook Live, to your invites, to your prospects, mga friends, families, relatives, sa mga gusto nyong makarinig kasi maganda po yung ating special guest na mag-share later, no? Napakaganda po ng kanyang journey and story. Isa po sa natulungan ng ating amazing pure organic barley. But before that, sige, let's see muna po ang ating Facebook Live kung tayo po ay kindly comment po mga mentors kung taga saan po kayo. Tignan natin, no? Kung mga taga saan po ang nanonood natin ngayong gabi. Please comment your location. Ayan. So mga taga saan ba kayo? Ako po dito sa Antipolo from Rizal. So I think no marami pa pong mag-tune in. Don't worry, this video is recorded. Live po ito. Pwede rin pong i-replay later on ng mga viewers. So grabe po yung mag-share mamaya kasi isa po to sa natulungan ng barley. Saka talagang living testimony na napakaganda po ng ating produkto. So yon, taga San Juan, hello sa ating mga viewers, Miss MM, Lainey, no? Taga Batangas, from Riyadh, Rexa, QC, si Bernadette, Mentor Sena from Italy. So talagang worldwide po tayo, iba't ibang lugar. May taga Gayan Bali, Mr. Ricky Abadilla. Ayan, from Bohol, Charlene. Calamba, Laguna, Angel. Yan, from Hong Kong, Miss Alma Reyes. Ayan, no, Pangasinan, si Miss Annie, si Wilma, taga Laguna. Hello sa inyo dyan. Ayan, amazing morning, Mentor Gina Villa. Hello po, Sorsogon. So, iba't ibang parts po ng mundo, no? Province from the Philippines, pati ibang countries. So, please, huwag niyo pong kalimutan, itag niyo po yung mga mentors dito, mga members nyo, especially. Lalo na po kung may mga health condition, no? At yung mga prospect nyo po na gusto pong malaman kung ano pa ba yung mga natulungan ng produkto natin. Kasi po dito sa IM Worldwide, we only share real testimonies. Talaga po kaya po tayo may Testimonial Thursday para po natin ma-interview yung mga actual pong mga nabago po yung buhay nila, natulungan ng ating produkto. Paki-comment nga po sa ating Facebook live chat group, no? World-class product. Ayan, di ba? Napaka-world-class po nito. Kasi yung ating special guest later, ay grabe, no? Hindi po taga-Philippines. Taga-ano po siya? USA from Washington. So, meron tayong special guest from other countries. And siya yung mag-share. Pero before that, no? Sige, ako po konting magpakilala lang. I've been here with IM Worldwide since day one. Isa po tayo sa pioneer. At isa rin po tayo sa natulungan ng barley. So ako po ay current on my second pregnancy, 2 months. Second pregnancy, 6 months po, pregnant. Ayan. At grabe, isa lang din po tayo sa natulungan ng ating I Am Amazing Pure Organic Barley kasi po tayo po ay PCOS. May PCOS po before, Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome. At dahil po sa consistent pagtiko ng barley, grabe no, PCOS free na po tayo, wala na po, clear na clear na. So sa mga may kakilala pong may PCOS, nahihirapan pong mag-conceive, ayan no, proven na po yan, nakakatulong po ang ating barley. Ayan, sige magpadami pa po tayo mga mentors para po at least marami pong maka-watch, no, mag-share po ng testimony before I call her kasi talagang napakaganda po nung kanyang i-share. Isa po siya sa mga libo-libo nang natulungan ng ating produkto. Imagine niyo no, nakakarating yung produkto natin sa ibang bansa. Hindi lang nga mga Filipino yung tumatangkilik, pati ibang lahi. May mga members din po tayo mga ibang lahi, mga lokal ng iba't ibang lugar. Kaya talagang proven and tested. World-class po yung product. And kanina napanood nyo naman yung mga introduction video kung para saan po yung barley. Yan, hindi tayo magpa-product knowledge ngayon, no? Pero may separate training for that. Ang mag-share po ngayon, yung talagang ano yung naging epekto sa kanya nung ating produkto. Kasi 'di ba? Testimony, yung testimony talaga po dito sa IM. Ano to yung mga totoong testimony from real life people. Hindi po siya yung bastang kumakalat dyan sa mga Facebook na mga edited, no? Kaya po dito talaga makikita nyo, ayan po, IM Worldwide, Amazing Pure Organic Barley. Legit na legit yung mga product, yung testimony from our members. So ayan, hindi ko na po papatagalin. Bago ko siya tawagin, no? Ang ating special mag-share po ngayong gabi, isa rin po siyang mommy, no? Mom of one. And she's from Seattle, Washington. Dating call center agent sa Philippines for 6 years and nang nag-migrate na sila sa USA, she's now living in Seattle, Washington. Grabe, no? And currently working din as a customer service representative. So, ano ba yung kanyang health condition na i-share? Bibigyan ko lang kayo ng konting about her health condition na natulungan ng barley. Sa mga may kakilala pong may cancer, ito kasi medyo hindi normal the usual sakit, no, na marami pong nagkakaroon din po ng cancer ngayon. Ang kanya pong i-share ngayong gabi ay ang kanyang story nung siya po ay nagkaroon ng thyroid cancer. Okay? Baka may mga kakilala po kayo mga mentors na meron pong thyroid cancer. She undergo yung niya, ikikwento niya na lang later. So, thyroid cancer stage 3 na natulungan ng ating amazing pure organic barley. So, ayan, 'di ba? Meron tayong hawak dito. Ito lang po, ipo-promote lang natin the new packaging ng IM Worldwide Barley. Ayan. Mano lang. So, 'di ba, naka-emboss na po yung IM Worldwide logo. At sobrang ganda po ng box natin ngayon. So hindi na to masyadong magagaya, no? Iwas tayo sa fake box, fake products. Kasi po ang ating barley ay 1,000 pesos per box ang legit. You can only buy this to legit distributors of IM Worldwide na may mga IM Worldwide Distributor ID. So yan. Anyway, sige, tawagin na natin ang ating special guest. So let's call on Mentor Andrea Barrera all the way from Seattle, Washington. Hello, Mentor Andrea.
Hello, amazing
Ayan.
morning.
Amazing morning, Mentor Andrea. Ayan. Anong oras na ba po sa inyo ngayong gabi? Umaga yata dyan, no?
Umaga sa amin, Mens, 4:18.
Ay,
Ayan.
grabe. Pinaunalakan niya tayo. It's 4:18 in the morning. And sa atin sa Philippines, 8:18, no? Diba? So, talagang nagbigay ng time. Yung mga ganyang oras tulog pa dapat yan. Pero thank you. Ayan, no? Unahan ko nang mag-thank you sa inyong oras, Mentor Andrea. Sige, Miss Conte, pakilala ka lang muna, no, about yourself.
Ayan, amazing morning, everyone. Thank you so much. Amazing morning, Mentor Bridget. And I'm very honored po na mag-guest niyo po ulit dito sa ating Testimonial Thursday event. No? So even if it's so early in the morning, talaga namang it is our responsibility to share our testimony.
Yes.
And dami talaga dyan, no, na nangangailangan ng ating produkto. And tama po si Mentor Bridget, isa po ako dun sa talagang, grabe, super blessed na na-meet yung ating company, yung ating produkto mismo. Kasi kung hindi, naku po, baka wala na po ako dito sa harapan nyo ngayon. Ayan, so, and I wanna also get this opportunity na din to thank si Sir Luigi. Thank you, sir, for making this happen again. Na ilang beses kasi siyang nag-message din, hindi nagtutugma yung time. One time nag-message siya nasa Pilipinas ako. And then one time naman papunta ako ng Australia. Ayun. So ito na nangyari na. And of course our BODs, thank you so much po, Prest, VP, GM Ana, and of course our Barley Queen. Kasi kung wala yung company, naku po, talagang super. Wala din po ako dito sa harapan ninyo. Ayan.
Yes. Tama. Yan. Alright. Sige, Mentor Andrea, bibigay ko na muna sa'yo yung floor. Meron ka bang isi-share, I think, na slides, no?
Yes
Na
po.
PowerPoint.
Opo.
Okay, sige. Alright, take it away, Mens.
Thank you so much, Mens. Ayan. And while I'm sharing my screen, yes, pwede pa po tayong mag-tag ng ating mga prospects and leaders. And lalong-lalo na po yung mga kakilala natin dyan na may mga health issues. I hope na I could get to inspire you tonight. Kasi grabe, no? Sabi nga ni Mentor Bridget, yung story na i-share ko sa inyo tonight is very real from me. Hindi siya gawa-gawa, so hindi ito ma-edit ng iba na gustong mameke, no? So, ayan. So, my name po, so let's start na, no? My name po is Mentor Andrea Barrera, one of the Sapphire Elite Executive na rin po ng ating company. So yes, ginagawa ko din po ang negosyo part-time. And I am the founder po of Team Absolute Faith. So kung nandyan po yung aking team, hello sa inyo. Ayan. And ayun pala sa ating mga hindi members pa ng I Am Worldwide na natag lang, nako, very blessed ka na naandito na na-invite na makikinig sa story natin. So amazing morning din sa'yo. And of course, sa lahat po ng makakapag-replay nito mamaya kasi recorded naman po siya sa I Am page. Ayan. So, okay. So let's start. So ito po yung aking background just for you to get to know me a little better. No, before po tayo mapunta sa main topic natin in sharing my journey. So ako po, ang background ko po ay taga Pangasinan po ako. So, kung mayroon pong mga Pangasinense, kaway-kaway po dyan sa inyo. So ako po, laking hirap. Before po tayo dito mapunta sa Seattle, Washington, USA, lumaki po ako sa hirap. Yung mga parents ko po, magsasaka. So, bata pa lang po ako para na akong nag-mature ng maaga dahil of course may 2 sisters ako noon nung bata ako na need na alagaan. So, when my parents or when I was younger, yung parents ko, iniiwanan kami sa bahay, nakikisaka sila sa mga iba't ibang lugar, ganun ka kasipag yung parents ko. And with that kahirapan, namulat ako ng maaga na I have to be a provider or help my family, no? So, na-bless naman tayo na, naalala ko pa, actually, naging sharing ko to noon sa office when I was there in the Philippines na sa hirap ng buhay namin noon, nakitira ako sa mga kamag-anak just for us to be able to or for them to be able to send me to school dahil hindi po ako kayang pag-aralin ng parents ko before, diba? So, and then nung bata ko, tagatinda ako ng kandila at langis no sa Manawag Church, o 'di ba? So, just for me to be able to support yung pambaon sa school, pambaon ko sa school at mga kapatid ko, ganun. Ayan, and then we're so blessed na nakapag-aral po sa isang magandang school. So, I took a Bachelor of Arts in Social Sciences, major in Social Anthropology, minor in History sa University of the Philippines, Baguio. Pero hindi po yan yung kinarir kong kurso. I mean, trabaho, no? Nung pwede na tayong mag-work. So, yun nga, nabanggit ni Mentor Bridget, dating call center employee sa Pilipinas. And that's where I met yung aking angel mentor dito sa negosyo. Ayan. So, very blessed and thankful na dinala ako ni Lord. Meron talagang purpose lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay natin, no? Dinala niya ako sa pagiging isang call center employee kasi probably, no, 'di ba, nakaano na yung life no, naka-plan na, hoy magiging member ka mamaya, 'di ba? Ayan, and right now, I am currently a CSR billing representative for 10 years now here in the US in one of the largest utility or energy utility in the state of Washington. And also mom of one. So yan, talagang ginagawa natin yung negosyo despite being busy as an employee and also a mom of one. Kasi talagang ang dami nating dapat matulungan, dapat makaalam ng produkto na meron si I Am Worldwide na talaga namang truly world class. Ayan. So, let's start in sharing my journey to health. I think hindi naman to first time marinig ng iba, no? Kasi this is actually my 3rd time sharing here in our company page. So, every time na nagsishare ako, bumabalik talaga sa akin yung memory, no? So I hope I could get to inspire you na kung may dinadaan ng health issue din, kinaya ng isang cancer patient like me to survive, kakayanin mo, 'di ba? And this is a 2-part story, so it's not just the story of myself, but also story of my son kasi meron din siyang health issue, no? Ayan. So, let's start with the journey. So, like it was mentioned earlier, I am a cancer patient. So the diagnosis came to me late 2017 to 2018. I was then 31 years old. Diba? So, the way I learned na may cancer ako is at one afternoon. Normal afternoon lang. I was off from work at that time and then I was just cooking in our kitchen. Kaming dalawa ng anak ko ang naiwan sa bahay. My husband was at work. And then while cooking, ugali ko kasi yung a little stretch here and there, just to elevate yung tension, back pains and all that. And then suddenly, parang narinig ko yung neck ko nag-pop. And then nahilo na ako. So sabi ko, ala, baka sa takot ko na bakit mahihilo, nag-i-stretching lang, bakit mahihilo. So then I called my husband to come home kasi ang anak ko at that time was just 18 months old. So hindi siya pwedeng maiwanan ng mag-isa. Wala pa dito at that time yung parents ko. So later na kasi sila dumating dito, 20 later part na ng 2018. So kaming dalawa lang. So to cut the story short, umuwi yung asawa ko, worried kung anong nangyari. Dinala niya ako sa emergency. So then with the test na ginawa doon, wala namang nakita na I was fearing na baka magka-aneurysm or whatnot, or may magkaroon ng nerve damage. Wala naman. So thankfully, di ba? Pero ang nakita is a 1.5 cm nodule in my thyroid, in my left lobe. At that time, hindi pa nakita na dalawa pala siya actually. So next slides makikita nyo na hindi lang siya pala isang nodule, magkabilaan siya. So that happened October 30 of 2017. So ako naman sabi ko, siguro wala lang naman yan, nodule lang. But I wasn't familiar with this kind of kasi kumbaga sickness, kasi ang alam ko yung mga lumalaki yung kanilang thyroid, yung kanilang liig is lang sila, iodine deficient lang, yung meron silang goiter. So hindi ko alam yung mga nodules na yan before, diba? So then nag-downplay ko to, so hindi pa, sabi ng doctor at the ER, magpa ultrasound, follow up na lang ako sa aking PCP or primary care physician, kasi it's not, hindi naman siya for them normal, hindi naman normal, kumbaga usual sa mga babae yung merong mga nodules. So it's not something na parang mag-worry ka na to the extent, yun yung parang dating sa akin. So sabi na, that's just very usual to women. O de, ako naman po, since medyo parang meron akong kind of in denial, although at the back of my head, paano kung cancer? So medyo parang kinakabahan na rin ako at that time, pero hindi pa rin po ako nagpunta agad-agad to my primary care physician. December na. So tong screenshot na to, dinownplay ko siya December 2 na nung nagpunta ako para magpa-ultrasound ulit. And then that's when they confirmed on the ultrasound na meron siyang nodules, and at that time mas sensitive yung ultrasound kasi mas malapit siya siguro dito sa aking thyroid. Nakita na dalawa yung nodule, left and right, so it's bilateral thyroid nodules. So of course ang ultrasound hindi naman niya po masasabi kung cancer, kasi makita lang naman niya at that time is may bukol ka, ganon, di ba? So I was sent for biopsy. So at that time before ng biopsy, nagpa-thyroid hormone check ako just to see yung levels ng hormones in my body, nagpa-x-ray, and then of course x-ray again confirmed that na merong nodule. And then I was sent for biopsy. Inantay ko pa po after holiday. So pumunta po akong magpa-biopsy January na. So January 12 when we confirmed, January 12, 2018 na it is a thyroid carcinoma. So it says there, right, thyroid FNA or yung fine needle na ginawa biopsy findings is suspicious for papillary thyroid carcinoma. So carcinoma means it's cancer. So suspicious. But then the right neck lymph node lumabas, or it came back as consistent with a papillary thyroid carcinoma. So we cannot roll it out. Even if tumambling ako na i-deny ko na hindi yan cancer, ganyan, nakita na mayroon talagang cancer cell inside of the lymph node. And when you say that it is already inside the lymph node, then that means to say na yung lymph system natin, kasi yun yung nag-carry ng fluid, ng whatever in our body, kung nasa lymph node na siya, then that means to say na yung merong pinagmulan. Kumbaga mother, mother, mother cell, daughter cell. Wala, pasensya na po, no? Wala tayong medical background, but to simply say is, meron siyang pinagmulan. Hindi siya, kumbaga, hindi mo ma-roll out na kahit sabihin ko sarili ko talaga na wala akong cancer, when it consistently found in my lymph node, meron, 'di ba? But then the left one, yung left nodule natin is benign naman siya, 'di ba? So, pero andun pa rin, may cancer, 'di ba? Ayan. So, um, na-confirm natin na may cancer tayo. So, ano ang next step natin, 'di ba? O ayan, no, January 12 when that test was confirmed. So, hindi ko talaga siya, kumbaga sa iba siguro yon is mamadaliin, pero ako, ang mindset ko at that time is patapusin yung holiday para makain ko pa yung mga gusto kong kainin. Sa habang holiday and still have fun. Kasi syempre, di ba, if cancer yan, emotionally magbe-breakdown ka, damay pati family mo, tama? Diba? So, yun yung mindset ko at that time. So, just in case na cancer man yan, at least I already enjoyed the holidays, the Christmas, the New Year with my family. Ayan. So, of course, your next step then is to consult a surgeon. Kasi my primary care physician already explained na ang next step when it comes to thyroid cancer is surgery. So, sabi pa sa akin na the easiest cancer to treat is thyroid cancer daw. So sabi ng doctor, you are lucky. Sabi pa, ito lucky? Cancer na nga, lucky pang pinagsasabi nito. Diba? So kasi syempre, when we heard the word C, ang equate natin ng C word na cancer is mamamatay ka na. So, ganun din ang feeling ko. Of course, being a mom na may bata ako, sabi ko, naku po, mamamatay na ba ako, 'di ba? So when they said, okay, go for a surgery, I consulted a surgeon, I should say, March 2018 to prepare me for surgery. Ito yung ginawa ulit yung CAT scan. So just to see again, no, kasi January yung last day na ultrasound, and then March nagpa-consult ako, so hindi agad-agad ulit ako nagpa-consult. Matigas po talaga yung ulo ko. But then kasi ako po talaga, if pwede kong i-avoid, even with synthetic medicines, hindi po kasi ako doon pro sa yung parang kumbaga fan ng synthetic medicine. So, okay, so to cut the story short, March 2018, nagpa-consult tayo, sabi, okay, let's do dissection, tanggalin natin yung buong thyroid gland mo, and then some lymph nodes around your neck. Kasi kung nandyan na sa lymph node yung cancer, ayaw natin yan na mas kumalat pa. Diba? So, we did more CAT scan, and then I was checked for my creatinine, yung kidney function ko before surgery, need yan to make sure na you are healthy to have a surgery. But then, ang ginawa ko po, nag-cancel po ako ng surgery. Ayan. So tigas po ng sa tigas po talaga ng ulo ni Mentor Andrea. So na-schedule po natin yung surgery ng April. Tinawagan ko po ang hospital a week before. Sabi ko, I will not undergo surgery. So medyo na inis yung aking surgeon. Of course, that's I'm taking money out from them kasi hindi sila mababayaran ng insurance. Wala silang pasyenteng i-operate. It's a surgery. But no, kidding aside, no? Of course, they also care for their patient. But then my thinking then was that mas gustuhin ko na lang, since sinabi naman nilang ang thyroid cancer is a slow progressing cancer, hindi ka kaagad mamamatay. Mas pinili ko po yung magpagaling naturally. And that was inspired by my mom na cancer survivor din. Kasi my mom was a breast cancer patient. So, nagpa-mastectomy ang mom ko at that time nung nasa Pilipinas pa ako. But di siya nagpa-chemo and radiation. And until now, my mom is still alive. Praise God. Thank you, Lord. Diba? And that is because of barley din. So, I mentioned ko na ngayon, si mom ko talaga yung parang naka-inspire sa akin before, of course, natin ma-meet si Amazing Barley at that time, 'di ba? Kasi nag-barley na siya. So I know about barley na, 'di ba? So after that, na nagdesisyon tayo na mag-heal naturally, what I did is I sought a naturopathic doctor. So siya po yung nag-guide sa akin. Actually, hindi lang iisa, 'di ba? Tatlo yung doctors na nagpo-practice ng natural medicine na tumulong sa akin. They collaborated just to um, to formulate a protocol for me to follow. Ayun. So since I chose yung magpagaling ng natural, I did this alternative cancer therapy and nutrition therapy almost immediately after that consultation with a naturopathic doctor. So I was very blessed and lucky na yung clinic na napuntahan po natin dito sa Seattle, Washington is doing high-dose IV vitamin C, which is a known cancer therapy sa mga natural doctors dito. I also did my research and readings about IVC, high-dose IV vitamin C, yung sinasaksakan ka sa vein. Ayan, may picture yata ako dyan. Ayan, that day was when I had the biopsy. Sobrang sakit. Matusok. Yan. So yan po yung nagpapaturok ako, para siyang dextrose, nagpapaturok ako ng IV vitamin C. So uupo ako diyan ng mga 2 hours for them to slowly drip the IV vitamin C to me, which is very, very expensive. $500 po yan per session. So I do that every week at that time. So akalain mo yun, no? So kaya nakaka-bankrupt yung magkasakit, tama? Ayan. So very lucky talaga, very blessed na I found the clinic to do that for me. And then I added yung tinatawag nilang hyperbaric oxygen therapy in 2019 just for me to, yung odds for me to survive, for me to get well is much higher than just doing one thing lang, 'di ba? And mas alam mo yun, cancer ang nilalabanan mo so dapat mas mabilis. Your arsenal of medicine, arsenal weapon mo, dapat madami, atakihin mo siya on all sides, di ba? Ayan, so dinagdag natin yan, and all of that na ginagawa natin, hindi, yung ating binabantayang cancer marker, medyo up and down, bababa, tataas. So, I needed more. So, sabi ko sa isang doctor ko, what else can I do for me to be able to have more fighting chance, ganon. So, I was introduced to a Gerson therapy. So, first sharing ko before, may nag-reach out sa akin about Gerson therapy kasi cancer patient, familiar yung member, ginawa din ang therapy na to. So this is an intense kind of therapy. It's a combination of supplements and fresh juicing. So ano talaga siya, titira ka sa kitchen. Kasi hindi siya pwedeng bottled juice or processed juice. You need to buy a juicer, juice your own grains and your fruits and vegetables. So here, if you can see it, so iyan ako muna, no? Kung ayan. So, wait lang. Nag-backward. Para makita nyo yung yung every dose. Kasi, nako, ayan So, I wake up at 6 in the morning to prepare everything. So, bibili the day before, a few days before, bibili ka na ng mga fresh greens, mga lettuces, mga kale, mga anything green that you can juice. Yung i-grind mo siya and then you can juice, diba? And then apple and carrot, and then you wash them, ganun, and then you will of course, put it in the fridge, get it ready for you to juice the next day. So, literal po na tumira po ako sa kitchen. Nagtatrabaho pa po ako at that time. I never stopped working. But then, how I was able to do this na mag-juice ako, nagwo-work ako. Alam niyo po, doon ko po napatunayan yung kung your will to survive pala is super. Ayan, bumabalik kasi siya sa akin. I'm sorry now, naiiyak tayo. If your will to survive pala is, ano, ang lakas, no? Kasi syempre, ang strength ko noon for me to survive is yung anak ko. Sabi ko, grabe. And every hour I have to get up, I still take calls at that time. Pero alam mo yun, para-paraan before dumating yung mom ko. No, para-paraan, I have to get up, juice, mag-grind ako ng juice. Meron akong talagang juicer, no? And then every hour, I have to take that juice along with plenty supplements na yan. So, every day, my schedule, like 8 a.m., ito yung kailangan kong i-take. 9 a.m., ito yung kailangan kong itik until matapos yung araw ko at 6 a.m. Even before I go to bed at 9, 10, meron pa akong tinitake na mga supplements, cancer fighting supplements just for me to, para gumaling. Ayan, so ang dami niyan, even with food, napaka-strict ng protocol na to. I followed it very faithfully, pero grabe, no? Na rin. Yan, so bawal sa akin yung meat, yung rice, and then nung nangangayayat na po talaga ako, sabi ng doctor sa akin, okay, I can allow you to eat brown rice. Then quinoa, mga ganun yung mga pagkain, and most of it are like salads lang, mga ganun. So talagang namayat po talaga tayo. No? So, ayan. So, with those protocols naman, ay grabe, yung ano natin, cancer marker natin, talagang stable siya. Thankfully, hindi naman siya lumalala, pero gusto ko po kasi talaga na yung, alam yun, mawala or bumaba ng bumaba for me to tell na talagang gumagaling ako. So I added what we call the RGCC, Research Genetics Cancer Center. This is a testing center in Greece in 2020. So ang gagawin doon is i-draw yung blood ko dito sa US, and then isi-send po nila yan sa Greece for them to analyze the genetics and find more things na pwedeng mag-work out sa akin. Kasi depende pala yun sa blood ng tao. Sometimes na hindi nagwo-work, no? Hindi siya nagwo-work sa isang tao. So sayang lang yung pera. So that test is not covered by insurance po, no? So out of pocket po lahat 'yan, and I paid like almost 22,000, ano ba 'yan? 2,200. Ayan, 2,200 kasi sa USD, no? So 2,200 out of pocket just for them to do the test for me to find out kung ano pa ba yung pwede kong gamitin. Ano pa ba yung mga supplements. So cytotoxic agents, supplements, class 1, ito yung isa sa mga test na lumabas na I can use for my type of cancer that will work. So the highest the percentage, yan yung ibibigay sa'yo ng doctor. And also, aside from that is I was tested with chemo agents na pwede kong gamitin. Pero since ayaw po natin ng synthetic drug, hindi po tayo nagpa-chemo. Yan. And also, hindi nagpa-surgery. So, wala yon, hindi ko siya ginawa yung chemo, but then I followed a natural supplement protocol from it. So yun yung sinundan natin, inad natin. And then we measured also what we call the CTC, or the circulating tumor cancer cell. So that first test I did was March or May of 2020 when this test was done, and the CTC at the time was measured at 2.8 cells. So dyan mo mapapatunayan na talagang may cancer. So 2.8 cells per ml of my blood. Ayan. So, and then another cancer marker na tinest sa atin is yung thyroglobulin. I'll show you later kung ano yun, no? So, and then of course we pray naman every day na magkaroon ng breakthrough sa healing. So, dumating yung redirection sa akin ni Lord when I met na, of course, si I Am Worldwide, no? So, yung cancer journey for me actually is redirection niya sa akin to really know my purpose, na I'm not just living for my own. Meron pala siyang purpose para sa akin, no? Ayan. So this was me. Actually, hindi ko makalimutan tong picture na to before everything happened, before ma-confirm na cancer. Nagpa-ultrasound ako that day kasama yung anak ko. So super parang ang ganda-ganda pa, and then hindi ko pala alam na iiyak ko after that. So ayan. So this was me nung kasagsagan na turok ako, nagpapagaling, 'di ba? To look at that picture with my mom. Kayo na yung humusga, sino yung mas nanay sa aming dalawa. 'Di ba? Mas nanay, mas matanda akong tingnan, mas kaysa dun sa nanay ko. So ganyan yung nagagawa ng cancer, no? Sa isang tao, patatandain ka niya na halos hindi ko makilala yung sarili ko pag tumitingin po ako sa salamin, 'di ba? And then lo and behold, because of I am worldwide in the products that we have, no? So sa pray ko kay Lord, ito talaga yung one of the verses na binigay sa akin ni Lord, na Joshua 1:9, be strong and courageous, do not be afraid, do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. 'Di ba? Nakulitan siguro sa akin si Lord, 'di ba? Joke lang po, no? Pero talagang plan niya yan, no? Lahat ng nangyayari sa atin, sa buhay natin, there is a reason behind it. So we met Barley, ayan. So yung unti-unti naging natin po yung na-lost nating weight, 'di ba? Medyo yung naging nagmukhang tao. Nagmukhang tao na ulit. So yan tayo, no? After years and years, 2020 po kasi tayo nag-join, no? So ito yun yung na-meet natin si Barley, September 2020. Actually, na-introduce na po sa akin ang Barley March pa, 2020. Pero ako po kasi ay negative sa networking. So, hindi po ako negative sa Barley. Alam ko po yung nagagawa ng Barley sa katawan ng tao, but then it's because of networking. The idea of it, ayaw ko po before. So, hindi po ako agad nag-join nung na-introduce sa akin in a month of March. September 20 na po ako nung nag-join, no? So, when I met I am Barley, doon po nag-start yung changes sa katawan po natin. So another verse na pinanghawakan po natin, Jeremiah 33 verse 6, behold, I will bring it health and cure, and I will cure them, and I will reveal to them abundance of peace and truth. So yun yung confirmation ko at that time. Sabi ko, Lord, grabe, ito na ba yung confirmation mo sa akin sa inaraw-araw na lumuluhod ako sa iyo, Lord, na gusto ko na pong gumaling. Diba? So ito na po ba yun, yung confirmation? So right there and then, after that verse was given to me, nag-join po tayo. Na-meet ko, these are my angel mentors, Mentor Josh Donegan Jr. from Baguio. Kawork ko po siya. That is a call center, and Mentor Mary Rose Corpus. So see, the difference. Yung picture po namin ni Mentor Josh, kuha lang po yan nung nag-shoot kami ng car reveal last month. Look at the difference nung nag-zoom kami ng aking direct angel mentor Mero. So siya po talaga yung nagkapag-direct sa akin. Unfortunately, namamahinga po siya ngayon. But very thankful sa life po ng dalawang taong to. Kung hindi dahil sa kanila, wala po talaga ako dito sa harapan ninyo. Hindi ko po siguro maiisip, no, na mag-join, although I know about barley kasi nakakabili naman po ako ng barley dito, gawang Amerika, 'di ba? Gawang dito sa Amazon, gano'n. Pero iba po ang effect ng barley natin. I can tell you that. Marami po akong na-try before po ako nag-isip mag-join. Ayan, no? And then so because of that, 'di ba? 1 week ito po talaga yung talagang walang etchos. After po dumating yung product sa atin, 1 week ko pong iniinom si Barley. 2 sachets pa lang ako noon, 2 sachets, and then I upped it 3 sachets. But within a week, kasi na-observe ko yung reaction ng katawan ko, within a week, 2 sachets pa lang ako at that time. Pero grabe, no? Dati po kasi kaming mahilig mag-hike ng mag-asawa. Na-pause po yan nung nagkaroon ako ng baby. And then mas lalo siyang hindi ko nagagawa nung nagka-cancer na kasi lagi akong pagod. Lagi akong parang may spell of dizziness. So instead of me going outdoors, doing the things that I love, mas gusto ko na lang po yung magpahinga. Mag, ma, ma, mag, humiga, humilata na lang. But then I put barley to test. Ayan po, 1 week. Pumunta po kami sa Mount Rainier National Park. Grabe, hindi ko na-imagine na kinaya ko ang mag-hike. No, it's one of the yung hard hike sa sa dito sa Washington, no. So hindi naman kami pumunta sa kataas-taasan, but then for me to be able to do that and regain my strength is very huge for me. 'Di ba? So thankful, very blessed na nangyari 'yan. And after that, tinuloy-tuloy natin si Barley Sea. That's the summit, yung sa yung nakikita niyong may snow, yan ang pinakamataas ng bundok na yan. Pero of course, di ko na po yan hinike. Pero hanggang sa medyo may base kami ng foot ng parang pinaka peak niyan. Nandyan kami, dyan kami nagpa-picture. So sabi ko, wow, talaga naman yung power ng barley. Thank you, Lord. 'Di ba? So na-enjoy ko na yung outdoor right after that. We've been to many more mga hikes, snow hikes, and outdoors with my son, 'di ba? Ayan. So, mga pictures na nakuhanan natin to capture the moment with our family, and the things, no, the food na mga na-miss ko. Grabe. Hindi ko kinakain before, biglang alam mo 'yun, pinayagan tayong kumain na, ma-introduce sa diet natin, o ayun, biglang 'di ba, bumalik yung mas lalong sigla, 'di ba, medyo naging parang fresh na yung mukha, o 'di ba? Ayan, so nakakapag-ano na tayo, restaurant na, kasi medyo na tayo, ang laking tulong talaga ng barley sa atin. Now when it comes naman to ito, laging tanong to cancer marker difference with barley use. So, anong evidence moments na talagang nag-work sa'yo si barley? O kasi medyo mga skeptical pa rin, 'di ba? Tama ba? We need proof, 'di ba? Especially when you are claiming something big like cancer, 'di ba? Maniniwala ba sa'yo yung kung sinasabi-sabi mo lang, 'di ba? So, some people talaga they need to see proof. And I have all that. So, here was another test po na ginagawa sa akin to track yung ating cancer marker, thyroglobulin. This is the highest mark po ever na nakuha po natin, 126. Ano po ang normal niyan? Sabi niya, reference range intact thyroid should be 2.8 to 40.9 ka lang dapat. Kasi kung may thyroid ka pa, it still produces protein, yung thyroglobulin protein na tinatawag. Pagka wala na, dapat less than 0.1 ang thyroglobulin mo. But since I have an intact thyroid, di po tayo talaga nagpatanggal, ang marker dapat below 40. Yan. So, nakaka-alarm kasi 126.4. And before barley use, talagang fluctuating yan, yung number na yan. Now, bumababa, tumataas, 126 to 100. So, hindi siya bumababa ng 100 points. Below 100, I mean, no? So, then, na-repeat natin yung test na yan. So, dito nagbabarley na tayo. No? So, May 23, 2022, I repeated this test. Thyroglobulin marker, 97.3. Wow! Praise God, for the very first time, no? Bumaba under 100. But of course, I wanted more. I wanted na bumaba pa yan, tama? So, and then also the Oncotrace, yung CTC marker, pinaulit po natin yan, not the full test, but I just wanted to see the number. So, the number, if you remember earlier, it was 2.8 cells per ml. Right now, at that time when we had this tested, 2.4 cells per ml na. So, bumaba, diba? So thank you Lord, thank you barley ulit, 'di ba? So all cancer types other than those listed above should be less than 5 cells ml para matag ka na hindi ka worsening case. Meron kang mas malaki yung chance mo na gumaling, mag-survive, 'di ba? So 2.4 cells. So take note of that number. That was April 18, 2022 when this test was done. Okay? So last year. Ayan. So, under 2 cells for 3 years, considered in remission sa mga cancer patients. No? Ayan. So, this Okay, so next test was September 26, 2022. Thyroglobulin marker still flagging high, but it was 64. So ano yung number kanina? 90? 97? 94, ayan. So bumaba ulit, tama? So close to normal count na, tama? So ayan, so now, ito na yung pinaka-latest. This was just this year, okay? So July 24, before po ako nag-travel sa Pilipinas, mauwi po ako ng September. I wanted it tested before ako mag-travel kasi ang mindset ko noon, if ever something is happening to me, andito pa ako sa States before ako umuwi. So pinatest po natin yung CTC marker, and CTC marker came back at 1.6 cells per ml. O, diba? So that was my confirmation na talagang barley was working for me. It's working kasi 2.4 down to 1.6, and then yung thyroglobulin marker po natin from 64 to 49.6. So 9 points to normal. Diba? So my next test po is this coming February or March of this coming year. Since tayo cancer patient, we need to really be on top of it. Iti-test ka po talaga nila yan every 6 months. So I'm very hopeful and positive na from 49, that's down below 40. Diba? So andyan pa man si cancer, hindi mo na mahalata na may cancer ako. If I am going to ask you, looking at me right now, comparing the me before, na sobrang kala mo tumanda ng 10 taon. 20 years. 'Di ba? Ayan. So, another story po na share ko po sa inyo is my baby naman po, no? Si Ethan, my baby, nung nasa tummy ko, so tapos na po tayo sa akin, is next po tayo. Second part is the story naman of my son. So, my baby Ethan, when he was still in my tummy, nakitaan na po siya ng kidney issue. Meron siyang tinatawag na hydronephrosis, wherein ito po yung condition na yung urine nagbaback up po siya sa kidney. So, 'di ba ang normal is dapat yung urine lumalabas. But for my Ethan, instead of lumalabas lahat ng ihi sa kanya, may lumalabas naman. Pero hindi po lahat ng ihi niya lumalabas. Yung iba bumabalik sa kidney. So nagda-dilate yung kanyang kidney, lumalaki. So kung napabayaan yon, it will cause kidney damage, no? So for my Ethan na nakitaan nun while still in my tummy sa series of ultrasounds na ginawa, the doctor recommended to do another ultrasound after na mapanganak siya, so 7 to 10 days after birth, para i-reassess kung meron pa. And then January 28, 2016, we did another ultrasound. So after or before ito. So before, kasi nanganak po ako February. So after birth, nagpa-ultrasound ulit March 11, then nakita na meron pa. Meron pa yung kidney issue, kidney condition ng bata. So then we were told to just monitor kasi hindi naman pa siya candidate for operation, mga ganun, and thankful of course na hindi, no? So but then Ethan was put on antibiotics since birth kasi ang iniiwasan po doon is with the urine backing up in his kidneys is magkaroon siya ng UTI. And if it gets worse, of course, ang bata, laging may emergency, laging ma-hospital. So Ethan, laman po siya ng clinic, ng hospital for ultrasound kasi laging ino-ultrasound. Pero thankfully, hindi naman laman ng hospital because of other condition like pwede siyang, hindi siya sinurgery, hindi rin siya laging UTI. So, sa follow up po sa ultrasound and still in there, hindi po siya nawawala, we were sent to Seattle Children's Hospital to do a VCUG. VCUG, ang hirap mong i-pronounce, but that is voiding cystourethrogram. So ang ginagawa dyan is ika-catheterize nila yung penis ng bata. Meron silang parang i-inject na fluid, saline water with dye para kapag in-scan yung kanyang bladder, yung kanyang tummy, makikita nila pag nag-void na siya umihi, if lumalabas lahat or meron pang bumabalik. So with that, na-confirm na meron. So follow-up ultrasound yan, lagi, ayan no, ang dami. US retroperitoneal. Ang hirap i-pronounce. So laging ultrasound. So, wina-watch para hindi mag-worsen kasi he is grade 1 and grade 3. Magkabila ang kidney niya. Yung isa grade 1, yung isa grade 3. So, kapag malala, ayun, di ba, yung kita niyo sa picture, lumalaki yung kidney. Yan. So, ganyan yung condition ng bata, ng aking anak. So, because I know the power of barley, halos sabay kami na umiinom ng barley. So, ano kasi yan eh, gaya-gaya. So, pinainom ko din po siya ng barley 1 sachet a day. So, very game yung bata na yan na uminom ng barley, walang complaint. Wala siyang ng lasa, no, walang ganon. Because he see me drinking. So, you have to model for your child. Kasi kung nakikita niya kung ano yung ginagawa mo, bad man yan or maganda, gagayahin niya. So, ganyan po yan. Nakikita niyang naiinom ako ng barley, sabihin niya, Mommy, where's mine? So, every morning, that's our bonding, di ba? Yan. So, kainom po ng barley ni Ethan, May of 2022, nag-normal po lahat. So, yung nag-dilate na kidney niya, yung nagba-back up na urine niya, clear. Wala pong hydronephrosis, walang nakitang mass, wala pong nakitang back up ng urine. So, 'di ba? Praise God na because of barley, no, hindi lang ako yung natulungan but him also, and hindi ko na include dito yung of course yung dad ko din na mayroong high blood and mayroong pre-diabetic condition na na-clear din po ng barley. Lola ko po na may diabetic na dati nagtutusok, no, ng ang tawag dun, ng nagtutusok for diabetic. Nakalimutan ko yung
Insulin.
yun, insulin. Thank you po, me. Ayun.
Oo.
Usok ng insulin but natulungan ng barley. Lo and behold, hindi na din, no? So, every time po na ma-recall ko at that time yung condition ko, ang pinanghawakan ko po at that time is my faith. Absolute faith. Doon ko po talaga siya nakuha yung name ng team ko kaya pinangalan ng Absolute Faith. So if you have come across yung story ng bleeding woman sa Bible, so she has been bleeding for 12 years and nothing better, no? Dami nang nagastos, daming doctor nang napuntahan, but then the only thing that kept her going is yung faith niya na one day yung mahawakan yung cloak ni Jesus Christ, no? So very relate ako doon sa story na to kasi ang tagal ko po kasing nag-battle. In 2018 po ako nung na-diagnose, and then 5 years na po, magsi 6 years na po ngayon. No? And then nagkaroon tayo ng breakthrough 2020, 2021 when we started Barley. Kaya grabe lang yung yung promise din talaga ni Lord na if you keep your faith is more than enough, no, for you to heal. For me, kasi grabe no, kung hindi siguro ko pinanghawakan yung promises ni Lord sa akin na when I read that Bible verse, siguro nag-breakdown na ako, nade-depress na ako, baka mas lalo akong lumala. So when we come to like talagang valley, no, na tinatawag, valley of despair, no, I want to leave you with this verse, John 1:14, that our God, he was full of unfading love and faithfulness. Kung may binigay siyang struggle o may trial sa buhay natin, He will make sure that we will come see through it. Kasi lagi siyang nandyan sa atin, no? So, thank you so much po for listening. And of course, thank you, Lord, no? All my praises, no, para kay Lord lang. Yung story ko po, kinasangkapan niya lang po, but to tell his story talaga. It's his story, not mine. No, thank you, Lord, and thank you po sa lahat na nakinig. To God be all the glory. My name po is Andrea Barrera. I am a proud agent of hope, and I am worldwide.
Grabe, no? Thank you, Mentor Andrea, no? Nakaka-inspire yung inyong story. Madami akong ni-notes. Sige, mag-aano tayo ng mga tumatak sa akin. Pero grabe, no? Ilang years mo ding nilabanan. Ang kulit ng mga sinabi mo nung una, medyo matigas ulo, no? Parang pareho din tayo. Hindi rin kasi ako believer ng synthetic drugs. Dun sa PCOS ko, hindi ko ginamot hanggang sa na ano lang yung barley. But yung sa'yo kasi, parang, di ba, thyroid, sabi ng doctor, pinaka-easiest, madaling heal, no? Pero nga, hindi ka naman sumunod dun sa advice ng doctor na magpa-surgery, mag-chemo, di ba? Tapos, radiation. So, ang kulit, ang ganda ng pagkakwento niya kasi is, yung journey niya na ang dami niya pong tinry na iba't ibang natural treatment. Magkano-kano kaya ginastos mo, Mens, dun sa mga ginawa mo?
Minsan nakaka-bankrupt po talaga, to be honest. So,
Na-bankrupt, no?
kasi, yes, nawalan po kami talaga ng ipon because of this. Alam niyo po yun yung talagang grabe. I thought I had a good life na. I had everything, and then suddenly I got struck with cancer. Then yung iniipon namin for, of course, we have a son na. We started na nag-open pa actually ako ng bank account for my son for me to prepare for his future. Iniipunan po namin yun na mag-asawa. Pati yun nawala. As in zero. And then I started living paycheck to paycheck na. Hindi po ako kasi nag-stop to work kasi even if my supervisor was saying then na Andrea, you're fighting cancer. Why are you not taking leave? But for me at that time is I needed the source of income, the flow of income for me to support yung $500 per week na magpaturok ako. Aside from the supplements pa na binibili from my doctor. So that adds up. So siguro I would say maybe ranging from $500 to $700 a week or more. Kasi yung juicing pa, yung bibili ka ng fresh organic vegetables for you to juice. So it can add up to probably $1,000 per week. So you need a stable source of income at that time. Ako naman po nung una, hindi ko pa po kasi nasa, anong tawag nun, yung ang focus ko at that time is to heal pa, hindi yung business. So, later on na yun, nag-share ako, but I wasn't after the income yet at that time kasi all I wanted was to live. So, yun yung na-focus ko talaga. So, yes.
Ayun. Grabe, no? Pero, sa totoo lang talaga, napakamahal pong magkasakit.
Oh,
Di ba? Sa presentation nga natin, so many people spend their wealth to regain their health. Di ba?
very true.
So, yun ang patunay sa kanyang story. Kasi talagang, kung titignan mo, simpleng thyroid, sabi ng doctor, isa sa pinakamadaling i-treat. Unlike other types of cancer na talagang mahirap. Mabilis kumalat, di ba? But, gusto ko rin yung sinabi mo kanina, Mens, na yung story nung bleeding woman, no? Nakaka-relate ka doon kasi grabe din yung 12 years na pinagdaanan niya, na non-stop bleeding. Pero, ito yung magandang sinabi ni Mentor Andrea, no? I-highlight natin. John 1 verse 14. He was full of unfailing love and faithfulness. So, parang, ang ganda nung story niya kasi parang si Mentor Andrea, yung nangyari sa kanya kung titignan natin simpleng, hindi naman siya simple talaga, but compared sa other types of cancer, kaya yan eh. Di ba? Pero parang ang tagal ng journey niya, more than 5 years bago ma-treat. Tapos, kita sa life niya talagang hindi siya nawala ng faith. Kasi nga, sabi nga, no, sabi niya kanina, gusto ko to eh, your faith is more than enough for you to heal. So, kahit ano pang ganda ng produkto, kung wala ka pong faith kay God, na papagalingin ka niya, at faith na gagaling ka, kasi kailangan ikaw mismo naniniwala kay nagagaling ka. Kasi may mga baka may magsabi, hindi naman lahat na nagbabarley gumaling. Baka kasi gumamit ka ng product pero wala kang faith. Hindi ka rin nagpe-pray kay Lord, hindi mo inas na i-heal ka. Pero based on her story and sa napakadami pang testimonies ko na na-interview dito sa I Am Worldwide Testimonial Thursday, karamihan po sa kanila talagang true faith din. And because of this amazing product, kasi ang barley po miracle product natin masasabi yan dahil hindi siya gawa ng tao, lagi ko yan sinishare. Isa po siyang tanim, no? Sa lupa. Sino ba nagtanim sa lupa? Sino ba nag-create ng mga vegetables, ng mga greens? Siyempre, di ba si Lord? So talagang ni-ready niya na. Kung tayo man magkakasakit, ni-ready niya na din nasa paligid lang natin yung answer, yung makakatulong. We just need to seek, ask and seek, and we will receive. So, thank you. Thank you so much, Mentor Andrea, for sharing your very inspiring story. And sa mga viewers po natin ngayon, no, I hope na madami po tayong napulot, especially kung may kakilala kayo, same case po niya na nag-undergo din ng thyroid cancer. So, pero wag na nating hintayin magkasakit tayo mga mentors. At sa mga hindi po members na nanonood ng IM na sumusubaybay po sa aming product and sa company. Wag na nating it's too late, no, na i-try yung product. Parang siya, i-highlight ko yung sa'yo. March, alam niya na yung barley. Hindi pa barley natin, barley alam niya na, natulungan na yung mom niya. Tapos na-share na siya ng I Am Barley. Kaso ayaw niya ng networking. Diba? Natawa ko doon, Vince eh. Ayaw niya ng networking. Pero kasi pag health ang usapan, regardless kung ano man yung business, unahin natin yung health natin. Okay? Make sure po tayo as mga members, yan. Kung wala ka man sakit ngayon, wag mong imimiss yung daily intake po ng barley. Kasi health is wealth, prevention pa din. Nakakatuwa din yung kwento niya kasi kanina, nag-hiking. Nag-hiking, may cancer. 'Di ba? Full of energy. Alam mo, totoo talaga, Mins eh. Ako, 6 months pregnant, kakagaling ko lang po ng Taiwan, 4 days. Parang hindi daw ako buntis nung nasa Taiwan kasi lakad-lakad, may mga tour, may inakyat-akyat din kami. Kinaya ko din eh. Iba po yung energy kasi naka 3 to 5 sachets tayo na barley a day. So, ibig sabihin po talagang grabe, no, yung product. Iba talaga yung epekto niya. Sa kanya nga lang, ang bilis bumaba ng mga result ng labs niya. Compare dun sa mga ginamit niyang mga treatment na napakamahal, taon na yung umabot, nagno-normal, babalik ulit. Barley lang pala, 'di ba? Mga mens, ito lang no, barley.
Actually, hindi siya nag-normal. No, yung gumagamit ako ng iba, bumababa, pero taas baba. But
Taas baba.
never siyang bumaba ng where we wanted it to be until I introduced barley. And baka matanong po, so nag-start po ako ng 2 sachets and then gradual po kasi ako, 2 sachets and then 3 and then nag-2, 2. So 2 ng morning before meal and then 2 before lunch and then 2 before dinner hanggang sa inabot ako ng 1 box actually. Nung gusto ko, a day, yes. Nung gusto ko siyang, actually it was Mentor Saiza, shout out, Mentor Saiza, I love you so much. So ang ating Diamond Mentor, no, siya yung nag-suggest sa akin nung medyo sabi ko gusto ko na mabilis yung ano niya sana yung drop ng numbers. Sabi niya try mo kaya mens ang 1 box. So siya po yung nag-advise sa akin na try mo yung 1 box, baka baka mas kailangan ng katawan mo kasi maybe your body is just too toxic compared to other people. So trinay ko po yun na talagang 1 box. So
One
when
box.
I hit 1 year of almost a year of taking barley, nakikita ko slow yung baba. Ginawa ko siyang 1 box. So ginawa ko 3 in the morning, 2 before lunch, 2 before dinner, and then 3 before bed. Talagang ginawang tubig na. Laklak kong laklak.
Laklak ng barley. Inihi
Oo,
mo
and
na ba,
then
Mets, barley na, green na yung blood, naging halt
I
na.
bleed green na.
I bleed green, di ba? Yes, tama eh. Pero
Yun.
totoo, walang overdose si barley. Yung iba kasi tinitipid eh.
Oo. Ay
Hindi
nako.
po 1 sachet ang recommended. 2 to 3 pag normal lang. Pero
Yes.
ako, ginagamit ko rin yun, Mets. 1 box a day pag may magkaka-flu or magkakasakit. Etong nabuntis ako ngayon eh. Nagkaroon ako ng flu few weeks ago. 1 box a day. 1 day lang yung flu. Tapos
Mm-mm.
na. Ganon siya ka-powerful kasi po walang overdose. Kasi
Oh.
hindi gamot si barley. And no,
Mm.
bago pala tayo nag-start, Nico, na sabi nga sa disclaimer, ang barley, disclaimer lang po sa mga nanonood, this is not intended to cure, diagnose, or treat. Pero makakatulong kasi hindi po gamot si barley. Pero kaya, yun, napakinggan nyo po yung story ni Mentor Andrea. Nag-try naman siya ng napakadaming pwede niyang i-try. Though hindi lang more on sa synthetic drugs. Pero treatment pa din yun. Pero 'di ba wala eh. Wala talagang mas powerful sa barley natin. Talagang ang daming ang barley dyan sa ibang lugar eh. Na-try niya din yung barley sa US, di ba? Hindi lang yun, marami pa po. Marami rin kaming ibang members eh. Sa Japan may barley. Iba't ibang lugar yan, di ba? Iba't ibang bansa. Pero bakit yung amazing pure organic barley from Australia, yung nag-iisa natin? Yun yung talagang napaka-husay, napaka-powerful. So, credits to our barley queen, Miss Maritoni Fernandez, na isa rin pong cancer survivor for 23 years kasi siya po ang nakakuha nitong produktong to ng kanyang pinagdaanan din sa kanyang cancer journey. At madami pa pong iba. So, yun. Sige, hindi na natin papatagalin. Mentor Andrea, do you have any last message for everyone? Anong masasabi mo sa mga nanonood?
For me, siguro ang maiiwan ko is yung the matter of sharing hope natin should not be taken lightly. Sabi nga ni VP, I remember meron siya sa event, 'di ba? Sabi niya, it is our responsibility to share the product to everyone kasi alam natin na marami tayong matutulungan na masakit. So you will never know. Baka isang Mentor Andrea yung ma-meet natin, no? May cancer or anumang health issues nila sa katawan. So need natin na be aggressive in sharing the hope na we shouldn't really be taking it lightly kasi sinasagot natin yung sakit sa katawan. And not only that, sakit din sa bulsa. O, diba? Laking tulong nung extra income sa akin, diba? So, nakakakonsensya naman na may alam mo na merong pwedeng makatulong sa ibang tao, especially yung barley natin, at hindi mo siya i-share.
Right.
So, kung napagaling ka ng produkto, why not? Diba? So, yun lang for me yung last words na it really is our responsibility to share hope every day.
Yeah. That's right, no? Ako, yun din yung laging sinasabi ko sa team namin na parang kung tayo may na-discover tayong product na pwedeng makatulong sa napakadaming libu-libong tao. Parang, hindi pwedeng hindi mo siya i-share. Kasi yung iba, di ba, sinasabi nila, ayokong magbenta, ayokong i-share, gusto ko lang personal use. Wala namang problem doon. Pang-personal mo lang. Pero, pag ikaw natulungan ng product, parang, hindi naman tayo maging selfish, mga mentors, no, sa mga nanonood na, hindi natin i-share to, yung kumbaga sikreto bakit ka gumaling, sikreto bakit ka blooming, bakit ka healthy, dapat sinishare po. Kasi nga sabi, sharing is caring. And also, you'll never know, tama, kung sino yung mga taong kailangan ng produktong to, ng ating amazing barley. Kasi napakadami pong fighting for their lives. Hindi lang life ng isa ang matatouch mo, pati buong family niya, next generation, napakadami magiging impact. 'Di ba kahit one person a day lang, ma-share mo lang yung barley. Hindi po tayo hardcore selling sa barley, hindi nga kailangan i-hardcore sell eh. Kasi talagang it's really life-changing for the health. And especially, ayun, si Mentor Adrian natulungan na po sa health niya. 'Di ba? Thank you, Lord. Thank you, barley. Pero, pati yung finances, ngayon, nakakabalik na sa dating na almost bankrupt na daw. Pero ngayon, nakakabalik na magkaroon ng additional funds, di ba? Bukod sa kanilang work. Kasi talagang, matik yun eh. Pag gumamit ka na ng produkto, maganda i-maximize mo din po yung business side. Kasi talagang, kahit hindi mo i-focus yung pera, money will follow. But if you share the product to a lot of people, you can help a lot of people. And our business is helping other people, not just about money. That's the real life, real network marketing is helping other people. So, ayun, thank you so much, Mentor.
And pakihabol ko
Sige
pala,
po.
I forgot to say earlier na it's been almost a year na hindi ako nagpapasaksak ng yung weekly IV vitamin C. Hindi na,
Hindi na.
almost a year
O di, ang
na.
laki ng natipid, Mens.
Not
Isang
pwede.
taon na.
Yes. Opo.
Kasi si barley,
You mentioned.
diba? Ang barley natin, 7 times more than vitamin C. Natural pa. Sa mga nagpapasaksak po ng vitamin C. Di ba, napakamahal ng IV. Mag-barley na lang po tayo. Laklakin nyo po yung barley. Ako,
Yes.
3 to 5 times or more pa. So, loaded po yan ng lahat ng nutrients. Ayan. Anyways, ayun. Again, thank you so much, Mentor Andrea. Mga mentors, palakpakan naman natin siya sa kanyang time, no? Kasi umaga po ng madaling araw sa USA. And ayan, nagpa-unlock siya sa kanyang oras. And yun, sa mga nanonood po nating viewers sa Facebook, umabot tayo ng almost 500 kanina, no? Worldwide. So yun, you can also send this recorded live. Pwedeng i-replay. Especially, i-share nyo sa napakadaming tao. Baka may mga next time matulungan na makarelate po sa journey ni Mentor Andrea. So again, thank you so much sa ating owner. Especially, shout out po kay Press AM, Alan Marvin Ider, sa ating GM, Ana Maniego, ating BPI, Lorraine, Oy, we miss you, and ating Barley Queen, Miss Maritoni Fernandez. Maraming salamat sa buhay nyo kasi kung wala po kayo, wala po kaming lahat dito. So again, my name po is Mentor Bridget Navarro and we are I Am Worldwide. So Mes, last na, picture lang tayo. Okay.
Sige.
Munti ko makalimutan mag-picture. Okay, picture lang tayo. Peace sign po. 1, 2, 3. Ayan, alright. So, Meds, thank you. Hope to meet you when you go to the Philippines. God bless po. Take
Thank you.
care.
Bye, everyone.
Alright. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much.
I start my day early. And to make sure I'm fueled, I always take my green drink before every meal. My stamina can keep up even with the dynamic lifestyle. So what's the drink that helps me take on the day with confidence? It's I Am Amazing Barley. Made only from fresh and organic barley from Australia. Packed with vitamins and minerals. Experience how it feels like to be amazing. I Am Amazing Barley.
The best person who can take good care of you once you get older is the younger person you are now. Does that sound familiar? How about this? Prevention is better than cure. Or this, health is wealth. Indeed, everyone is aware of the importance of achieving a healthy lifestyle. But the real question is it still possible to live healthily in today's world of processed food, much pollution and radiation, plus a stress-filled, fast-paced environment? With I Am Worldwide, it is a big yes, with the power of barley. According to Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara, a Japanese doctor, scientist, inventor, and pharmacologist, barley is the only vegetation on Earth that can supply nutritional support from birth to old age. It is recognized by science as the most nutritious of all plant foods, containing a broad spectrum of essential vitamins, minerals, amino acids, enzymes, chlorophyll, phytonutrients, and phytochemicals that our body requires for the proper functioning of organs and the immune system. There are 68 micronutrients found in barley leaves, 17 types of minerals, 16 types of vitamins, 17 types of enzymes, and 18 types of amino acids. In a nutshell, what is the power of barley? B is for bone health benefits. Barley is loaded with minerals, especially copper and phosphorus, that can promote bone health. Barley contains a greater amount of calcium compared to common milk. This makes barley a perfect ingredient to improve your bone and prevent related diseases like osteoporosis. A is for anti-cancer and colon cleansing substance. Since it is naturally rich in fiber, it can boost your intestinal health, hence protecting you from colon cancer. The fiber component of barley decreases your risk of colon cancer by increasing the bulk activity and decreasing the transit time of fecal matter, which makes your colon healthier. It's not only the barley grain which wards off cancer, but the grains are also beneficial because of their superoxide dismutase component. Superoxide dismutase, or SOD, is a type of enzyme that destroys harmful free radicals in the body. Based on a study conducted at the University of Iowa, there is a relationship between the levels of SOD and the occurrence of cancer. Diminished amounts of SOD were found in cancer cells. Researchers concluded that this relationship may help clinicians to formulate appropriate cancer treatments. R revitalizes immune system. The vitamin C component in barley is almost 2 times that than oranges. This particular vitamin especially fortifies your defense mechanisms and decreases the likelihood of colds and flu. Iron increases the blood volume and also helps prevent anemia as well as exhaustion. It helps with proper kidney functioning, including the growth and development of body cells. L lowers cholesterol and blood sugar. Barley contains an important soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This heart-healthy fiber aids in lowering cholesterol levels and is also found in other grains such as oats. This soluble powder dissolves and binds with fatty acids in the body, which lowers bad cholesterols. Also, a recent study from the Lund University in Sweden shows that barley can rapidly improve people's health by reducing blood sugar levels and the risk for diabetes. The secret lies in the special mixture of dietary fibers found in barley, which can also help reduce people's appetite and risk for cardiovascular disease. E expedites healing of the body. After dissolving barley in the body, there are 3 very important constituents which are stored in barley products. First is beta-glucan, second is essential amino acids, and third are fiber constituents, which accelerates the energy in the body with high resolution. Eventually, the body feels relief, which automatically leads to healing therapy in the muscular systems. Also, barley is rich in zinc, which promotes healing. Y youthful beauty and energy. Barley is packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and minerals. All of these are excellent for your skin. It has been proven to reduce inflammation in the body. Do you know the expression, healthy body, healthy skin? The antioxidants in barley help make you look younger. Barley helps to eliminate toxins from the body, giving you the appearance of younger and healthier skin. Need to experience the power of barley? Bone health benefits, anti-cancer and colon cleanse substances, revitalization of the immune system, lowering of cholesterol and blood sugar levels, expediting healing of your body and youthful beauty and energy? Try I Am Worldwide's barley for the entire family. Amazing pure barley powder, amazing barley capsules, and amazing choco barley for kids. Let this be the start of your healthy living.